Hey, what's up, guys? We're here for our double box break of 1516 SP Authentic number 3. It is box break number 3. So, what we're going to do is I'm just going to run through the teams real quick. Hopefully, you can see them. There are the teams. And I'm also going to do the world clock, show you the date and time. Refresh. Current local time in Montreal is 9:53, Monday, July 4th. All right, guys, good luck. Oh, sorry about that. All right, guys, pack number 1. Good luck. Autograph, Devin Dubnyk for the Wild. Ryan Johansson for Nashville. John Tavares for the Islanders. Nikolai Goldobin for the Sharks. Laney McDonald for Calgary. Joe Sakic, Colorado. Yanni Gourde for Vancouver. Bobby Orr for Boston. Mikael Granlund for the Wild. Felix Potvin for Toronto. Future Watch, Colin Miller for Boston. Bill Guerin for Dallas. Jacob Voracek for Philadelphia. Autograph, Nikita Kucherov. Nice. For Tampa. Oh. Theon Fleury for Calgary. Radin Rabara. Limited Mike Hoffman for Ottawa. And a Future Watch Mark Alt for Philadelphia. Alex Ovechkin, Authentic Moments. Carl Hagelin. Legends, Glenn Hall for Chicago. Redemption. Keep that redemption for the end. Luke Sheen. Marcel Dion for the Rangers. The Luke Sheen was for LA. Nick Ritchie for the Ducks. Steve Yzerman. Oh, sorry. Jonathan Daves for Chicago. Future Watch, Razzle Dzingel for Ottawa. Felix Potvin for Toronto. Ryan Elias for Nashville. Bobby Clark for Philadelphia. Future Watch for Florida, Sam Brittain. Pierre Turgon, Legends for Colorado. Taylor Hall for Edmonton. Autograph, Dougie Hamilton for Calgary. And it was stuck. Connor McDavid, Authentic Moments for the Oilers. Wayne Gretzky for the Oilers. Jordan Wheel for Philadelphia. Authentic Moments, Jonathan Taves and Patrick Sharp for Chicago. Vincent Cavalier for LA. And last pack of the break, we have a Broji Slaming for Toronto. And our redemption is a 2015-16 SP Authentic Future Watch autograph for the Detroit Red Wings, Dylan Larkin. All right, guys, that's it for this break. Thank you very much. I'm going to be posting double box break number 4. Remember, these are all in sequence from a full case. So if you want to get on the next two, just let me know and I'm going to tag you. Thank you.